How to choose a small circuit breaker PP plus N2P. The width of one circuit breaker is 18 mm. Magic 2 belongs to single pole circuit breaker. One inlet end and one outlet end can only control the live wire. That is to say, only the live wire is broken when tripping, while the zero wire. The width of one P plus N circuit breaker is 18 mm. Magic 2 belongs to single pole circuit breaker, but it has two inlet ends, one to live wire and one to zero wire. When tripping, the zero live wire rotates to. However, compared with the 2P circuit breakers, the neutral line can only be cut off. There is no short circuit and overload protection, and the fuse cannot be reversed. Individual brands and P plus N circuit breaker width will be different. 2 circuit breaker width is 36. Magic is a bipolar circuit breaker with 2 inlet terminals and 2 outlet terminals, which can control the live wire and the zero line past that section at the same time, and the zero live wire has short circuit and overload protection function. From the safety point of view, choose 2P circuit breakers. From the economic point of view, choose a P circuit breaker. Not only consider the cost, but also want to be safer, can choose a P plus N circuit breaker.
How to distinguish the circuit breaker. These two circuit breakers look roughly the same in appearance, are 2P miniature circuit breakers, but the interiors and uses of the two circuit breakers are quite different. The circuit breaker on the right has the function of automatic tripping, that is, tripping. For example, if the circuit is overloaded or the power supply is short-circuited, it will trip for protection. The circuit breaker on the left is actually a small isolating switch. Let's take a look at it. Its internal structure has only upper and lower contact. Moreover, it cannot be operated with load during separation and explosion, but only plays an isolating role. Therefore, when we select switches in the circuit, we should pay attention to the fact that such isolating switches cannot be protected. Isolating circuit breakers are often used to repair lines or repair equipment because they can disconnect the power supply and play a role in isolation.
Hello everyone, this is a circuit breaker in the middle of a distribution row. Each circuit breaker is different before and after it. Let's take a look at the meaning of the letters of this circuit breaker. DZ means it is a fast shell circuit breaker, 47 is its design serial number, and 63 means that the maximum withstand current of the circuit breaker is 63 amperes. C16 is its rated current, and 50 Hz means it operates at 50 Hz AC. 230 to 400 volts means that it works normally between 230 to 400 volts. 6000 amperes is the maximum carrying current of this fast shell circuit breaker is 6000 amperes. GB is the national standard.
Have you ever seen a Type B broken weapon? Type C is used for lighting distribution circuits, and its instantaneous tripping is 5 to 10 times. Type D is used in power circuits such as motors. Its instantaneous tripping is 10 to 4 times, while Type B is 3 to 5 times. Do you know where it is used?
These are two circuit breakers. This is the elder brother looking for a real estate circuit breaker. This is the younger brother called ordinary circuit breaker. My brother is big and has a bridge of nose. There are two main protections for it. It has always been the state to protect fires, including small electricity loads, large backheads, stable stops, line down, and jumps to his customization. The 7-star 25 property price protection is suitable for bringing to the equipment below. That is, the electricity current is very small, but he will also adjust the electricity leakage adjustment in the building store. The green one must be pressed to lock the electricity, and the radiation lock cannot be powered. This yellow key is a key for all experiments. This yellow key is pressed once a month, which is a key that tests the normal and abnormal leakage function. Normally, when this red line comes out and presses the current, this green line will too. 6. The abnormal thing is that the stock price comes out 1, 2. 6. Which is not the green line, mixed blood 0. 72. 6. Then there is a 0. 3 ampere circuit missing. And it will be adjusted because the current coming out is more and the current going back is less. Do not sell at a loss. This younger brother is an ordinary short circuit body. He only has national protection and no leakage protector. It's proportionate.